Okay, now let's look at this problem. Sorry, I forgot my infinity here. Let's look at this problem. So in this problem, we have a square root of a function, and then you put infinity there, it will be just an infinite square root. And note that this is not negative, so it will be defined there. And then you have that one, which is infinite number to the power cubed, minusing it 2. So you just have an infinite negative number. But anyway, let's look at this closely. So you know the rule says that you multiply by the highest power or the reciprocal of the highest power in the denominator. So you have lim of x approaches infinity of square root of 1 plus 4x to the power 6 times x to the power of 6 divided by 2 to the power of x to the power of 3 minus x to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of 3. So note that here, what I did is that when you have, let me say, a square root of b, it's equivalent as a squared square root of b, just inside the bracket. So this is the same thing. So you know that if this applies, then that is true. So if you can apply this rule here, you can actually simplify it to that. So, okay, and then we have lim of x approaches infinity of this whole thing here. So you will have square root of 1 over x to the power of 6 plus 4 to the power of 6, and then that one will just cancel out. You have 4. And then you know the square root of 4 is just 2. And you know that this one will turn into 0, supporting that law there. Sorry, it's written a little bit drastic there, but you can find it on the previous video. Okay, and then you have this one, which is going to be 0. And then you have that one, which is divided by that one, will just be minus 1. So, okay, now simplifying it, you have 2 over negative 1. That's basically negative 2. So that means that, so what do these numbers mean actually? Even if you look at this one, these are basically the horizontal isotope. Okay, these are horizontal isotope.